It's a lovely day today. It's raining. It's raining. And we are taking care of the garden. I have some beautiful roses. In a few days you will see beautiful roses here. And we are taking care of them now. Some lovely big stones, big dark stones. It will look beautiful. It's a lovely day. We need the rain a lot. Καλημέρα. Καλημέρα, καλημέρα. What a lovely day. Yes. Καλημέρα. My lovely volunteers here. And all the dogs are next to them. It's a raining day. It's a rainy day. And we are always working. Always, always, always. Beautiful flowers. So many trees around. Eucalyptus, olive tree, fruit tree, roses, herbs. Beautiful trees. Nature is beautiful. And the day is lovely. Kalimera pedakya. Good morning, babies. We will put these big stones everywhere. And it will be so nice for all the flowers. It's a lovely day. This is the bedroom. That's me. And that's Nala in her bedroom. I'm coming, Nala. She has her own bedroom. It's time for her to go out soon. But everything is wet. So she has to come in the house. Nala, she has a happy tail waiting. Ne, κοπέλα μου, she's calling me. Hey, Nala? Nala? She is so happy. Nala will go out now. She will go downstairs. She will play with the other dogs. And I have to walk all around the shelter, take care of the dogs. We have to clean. Always. Chatulita, Blondie, you are so cute, 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 cute. Let's see the volunteers again and the doggies. What are you eating, Alex? What is this? What are you eating?
A cereal bar.
What is that?
Cereal.
Oh, healthy. More breakfast, yeah?
Yeah, breakfast.
Perfect, perfect. Happy doggies. Johnny. Johnny. Hey, Johnny, be good. Have a lovely day. Hey, be nice. Don't get naughty, doggies. Have a lovely day.